Before we build our checkout item, we can actually make a small tweak to our website to make it more of a flowing user experience. Now, in order for us to go to our checkout page, we have to open up our cart dropdown and then click the Go to Checkout button. But once we get to this page, our dropdown's still open. But we know that we'll end up displaying the same information to our user because the cart items will be reflected in the checkout items. And that just seems like a lot of redundancy. So what we can do is actually trigger a toggle whenever we click our Go to Checkout to toggle the hidden state of our cart. Because we know that in order for our user to access the Go to Checkout button, the hidden state must be false because our dropdown is open. So we know that if we were to call our toggle, we're not going to get any unexpected behavior where we don't know the state of what our hidden is. Again, because we know the dropdown must be open for them to have triggered the Go to Checkout button click. So what can we do in order to do this? Well, we can just simply bring in our toggle hidden action into our cart dropdown component from Redux cart actions. And we'll bring in toggle cart hidden. Now, the way that we're used to doing this inside our Connect would be to write our map dispatch to props and then pass in a dispatched call of our action creator of toggle cart hidden. Now, what we might not know is that Connect actually passes dispatch into our components as a prop if we do not supply a second argument to Connect. So if we don't supply map dispatch to props as the second parameter, Connect will pass the dispatch into our dropdown, so our component, as a property. And the reason it does this is because if we need to make one-off action dispatches, well, there's no reason to write another map dispatch to props. It might be more verbose. So we can actually see this if we, for example, log out all the other props that we have access to. So just to demonstrate this, let's just return and then console log all the other props that we're not destructuring. So everything other than cart items and history. And now we'll see when we open that this is what we have. We do have access to this dispatch. So what's great about that is that now, instead of writing an unnecessary additional map dispatch to props, we can just bring in dispatch like so, expand our onClick function using a multi-line, right, which are the squiggles, and then adding another dispatch, passing in our toggle cart hidden action creator. And now if we save, we'll see that if we go to our checkout, our toggle cart hidden action is being fired. So now that we have this improved user flow, let's build out our checkout item.